ripe. Hi folks, welcome back to the 4th episode of Eatin' with Eatin.
She's small and sweet and has the deets on how to make yummy treats. She's eatin' with Eatin', yeah!
We're going to be using the cookbook cooking class to make some amazing apple crisp on page 132 and 133. I'm Farmer Eatin', so let's go head to the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, folks. Here we have our ingredients. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar, 1½ cups of rolled oats, 6 apples, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 cup of melted butter, a medium-sized bowl, a potato masher, an apple slicer, and a 9-inch baking pan. You're also going to need an apple peeler, and 6 to 8 serving bowls, and a spoon.
Now let's get started.
I just picked these apples from the orchard, and now it's time to peel them. But first, preheat your oven to 375. Now once you cook your apples, it's time to cut them. Yeah, look at that! I just did that! No struggle at all. If your apples look like this, then you should cut them more. Now spread your apples evenly amongst your 9-inch pan. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together your oats, brown sugar, flour, and cinnamon. Came out perfectly. This is also a good recipe for all those upcoming Thanksgiving and Rosh Hashanah meals. Now it's time to put it in your softened butter. Now take your masher and mash it all together. You can also mash it up with your clean hands. Spending a lot of money on my brand new guitar. Baby's gonna have a lot of donuts from me sprinkler. Oh, back to string.
Like nothing happened.
Now's the moment you've all been waiting for. Time to pour it. Now pop this baby into the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Three, 2, 1, Happy New Year! Now decorate to your liking with ice cream or whipped cream or anything you like. And now we're done. Wait. That's put some good stuff there, y'all. Now we're done. Thanks for eating with Eatin'. See y'all. If you enjoy watching me make apple crisp, then leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Farmer Eatin', and I'll see you all next week.
What'd you do? Should this be the thumbnail?
Yes. If you enjoy making me apple crisp,
Eatin' with Eatin', yeah!